To export linework as a KML out of Civil 3D, you first need to make sure that your file settings have a datum set to them. So go to File Settings, Unit Zone, select the state, and then the corresponding coordinate system. Click OK. The next thing we need to do is create a layer state so we can export the linework to a KML. Google has a limit of 3 megabytes file size on a KML, so often we cannot export the entire KML and bring it into SiteMarker. So I'm going to isolate the line work that we would like to see. Center lines, curb and gutter, lot lines, right of way, and buildings. Now I'll type the MAPEXPORT command. I'll name the file. And we need to type the suffix .kml, otherwise it'll default to KMZ. If this is the first time you've run the command, you may need to open file types and scroll down to Google KML. We'll click OK. You can select everything in the file, or we can manually select the line work we want to send. Click Enter, confirm that our datum is set here in coordinates, and click OK. We can then go into SiteMarker and click Map Layer, Add Map Layer. We'll drag the KML into the Map Layer Upload modal and click Load File. You can finish the Map Layer upload sequence by clicking Save Map Layer. If the file name that you used to name the map layer needs to be modified, you can change the map layer name up here. We'll click Save Map Layer and we'll see that our map layer is now available for us here in Map Layers. And from here we can begin to add PDF map layers and align it up with the line work.